Well, he sat there for about 3 minutes. Then he got up and I thought he was going to start walking home. So I stood up, but he turned and looked around, saw where I was. I was pretty sure he saw me. So I waved my umbrella so he would know where I was. So at least he was wondering where I was. I hope he felt a little bit scared. Here he comes moseying up the hill. Where'd you go? You're supposed to keep track of Daddy. You just kept walking when I stopped to look at something. You're supposed to keep track of me. Now it's going to rain on us, I think. Here comes the rain.